A special thank you to Giant for sponsoring today's video.
And also congratulations to them for raising over $3.3 million to address the issue of childhood hunger. I do have a coupon for you down listed below, but first let's go into our keto haul and I'll talk about that in a little bit, the coupon. This is the sugar-free G. Hughes sauce that you can use. Now, some people would say this is dirty keto, so I do want to put that on your radar. Some of the ingredients can be inflammatory, but oh my word, I was so excited. I literally squealed out loud when I saw the Primal Kitchen products and they're on sale. Do you know how much these cost, by the way, online if you were purchase them from a competitor? Literally double. I've paid double online for these, and the fact that the Giant company has them, I'm so excited. And I'm just so excited. Literally, my mouth was open. I'm like, they have tartar sauce? I can actually have tartar sauce with my seafood this summer. I did also wanted to check out the Primal Kitchen. They have a spicy ketchup. They also did have the plain ketchup too, which can be somewhat hard to get. So I was so glad to see that they had the plain ketchup from Primal Kitchen. These are amazingly awesome finds. Now that G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup though, that one did have cornstarch in it, so I did put it back. Again, just alerting you, it's more of a low-carb item or a dirty keto item and not necessarily straight keto. However, y'all, I'm just so pumped to find something. The Primal Kitchen ones were completely clean though. Like those were totally clean, squeaky clean keto ingredients in them. I literally ended up filling my whole cart with sauces to get stocked up for this summer. This is the sugar-free honey mustard dressing. Again, it's a dirty keto one. I did actually try it after opening it. It was pretty good. That blue cheese mustard, oh my word, I got 3 of them. I literally, because I put that on my keto wraps. I'll put them with deli meat. They did have the Green Goddess avocado oil dressing. Again, those Primal Kitchen ones are so squeaky clean and so healthy, and they don't have inflammatory properties. So if you get puffy sometimes after having certain dressings, check your dressings. They could have inflammatory ingredients, which may mean why your scale is not going down on your weight loss journey. And of course, everyone's different, but that's been one of my experiences. I ended up getting 3 of these everything bagel seasoning. They are so good. My 5-year-old is obsessed, and I'm obsessed. You can put a little bit of cream cheese on them too. If you want to have like an air quote keto chips and dip. I also did end up putting them on top of my salads for some extra crunch. Now here is their coconut milk. Just make sure it's the unsweetened kind. I use this for a lot of crock pot recipes. I also do use it this summer for keto low carb smoothies. I have a whole low carb smoothie video too that you can check out. But look at the price on this, by the way. I was so excited. I'm like stocking up. It's organic canned chicken. I ended up getting 3 of them, and my little boy was so excited to help me too. They had fun little carts for kids, but there's the tuna that you can get if you do like tuna fish. And this coconut flake, oh my word, if you want it to see how to do a toasted coconut for your parfaits, your keto parfaits, put in the comments. That's your question of the day. Do you want to see how I toasted that coconut to make it so keto clean, completely keto clean, completely keto healthy? Let me know. That's your question of the day. Now here's these petite pickles. My little boy picked out a huge jar. I said you could pick out whatever you want, and that was what he picked. And he wanted to put it in his own buggy. Great. He's being helpful. I appreciated that while we're doing our haul. Now there's the coconut where I got that shredded coconut flake. Again, it's unsweetened. It's totally keto. I had not found that in a grocery store before, and it was literally the find of the day in the nut aisle. There is pan spray that they have that's coconut oil. They do have avocado oil, that's spray that you can use in pans for like omelets and eggs and stuff like that. They had it in every single kind of flavor. Avocado oil, ghee oil, which by the way, and it was on sale too. I was so excited to see those price points. Here is Duncan Hines. This is a dirtier keto option for dessert, but that's another dessert option for you too if you just want to have a mug cake. I ended up getting one of these and ended up eating it on my way home. It was so good. You guys know I'm obsessed with macadamia nuts, but here's the coffee that I got. It was on sale, so I literally stocked up, honey. I'm no dummy. I didn't just fall off the turnip truck. This was such a great deal, and it tasted amazing too, by the way. We've been having it. I think my favorite is that toasted southern pecan, but the Kona blend is my husband, the Count of Low Carb. He loves that one. That one is his particular favorite, and in fact, I'm going to have it in an hour here as my afternoon treat. But they do have hazelnut, all different types of, if you like flavored coffee. They do have regular straight up coffee too, but I got some of those as well to put my coconut oil in to make more of a fatty coffee in the morning for my breakfast, and I was so excited. And there's the Hawaiian blend. One of y'all actually recommended it to me and said, Elizabeth, check that out. Now, Christy Davis is my best friend and also huge YouTuber here on YouTube, and she swears by Bang drinks. I didn't get one today because I was really excited about my coffee, but there's Nitro Cold Brew as well. Those do have 2 carbs in them if you like nitros, but I was looking at these nut pods because y'all had told me to check them out. So keep me posted in the chat of other items you like too. I want to know your other items I'm missing or that you want to share with me. But the nut pods were there as well, and then tons of seltzer and sparkling water. So I was pumped about those. But here was over in the specialty aisle. They had all of these beef sticks. Now I got those from the uncured pepperoni ones for my little boy's lunch, and these Yo Mamas. I think that's hysterical, by the way. They are the cleanest tomato sauce I have seen. Rayo's has a clean one, but that one, I had not tried the Yo Mama brand. It tastes amazing, super clean. Highly recommend you put it on your keto grocery shopping list or for your keto haul. I had those for dinner last night. I swear by them. I'm going to get them every single time I go. Super, super clean. Taste amazing. Actually, no, I beg your pardon. Those were dirty keto. They did have one ingredient in it that was somewhat questionable. But oh my word, the taste was amazing. It was really easy to make, and my family raved about them. And you can add them with a little bit of guacamole. Those zucchini planks I'm making a keto lasagna with. I'm just going to add meat and my Yo Mama's tomato sauce with it. I also did get some coleslaw in there too, which is really, really simple. And then they have salad bar. I'm like, how easy would that be for dinner? I didn't end up getting the salad bar for our dinner, but I could. But I did end up getting a bunch of fixins to make some Cobb salads. I've been on a big Cobb salad kick. So I got, again, these sale prices. I was so excited. Which, by the way, you can use the app that they have for grocery pickup from the Giant company. You can use their app. You can go ahead and do grocery pickup, or there's the coupon that you can use too. So I highly, highly recommend that for you for delivery as well. But there's their seafood section, which I'm on a big seafood kick too, man. And it was delicious, delicious. Look at those kebabs. They're shrimp kebabs that are already kebabified. I'm making up that word, but they're already done for you. There's some wisps. I had to get my good old pepper jack wisps. They're my go-to. I like the little spice in them. And we got some more eggs as well. For my Cobb salad, I wanted some hard-boiled eggs. But look at that. They have in there the free-range hard-cooked eggs and also Nellies. So those are my sauces. It really was a sauce day. And I bribed my boy with a ball. That is how I got great behavior today. Put in the chat your favorite item that you love from keto. And
a special thank you to Giant for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to get your $25 off coupon. The details are down in the description link. And look at that amazing gas. You can use that also with your discount card as well. See you next time, friends.